In an old abandoned building, a man walking by an old decrepit building heard a faint cry of a child inside. Curiosity got the better of him. He pushed the creaky door open, calling out, but only his voice echoed back. Empty. The crying grew louder, luring him up the creaking stairs to a dark room. He stepped inside, and the door slammed shut behind him. The crying stopped. Abruptly, he turned to leave, but the door wouldn't budge. Panic set in. Then, in the corner, he saw a small figure huddled in the darkness. As he cautiously approached, the figure slowly lifted its head. It wasn't a child at all. The lights flickered out, and the last sound was his own scream, echoing through the empty halls.